Hey guys, a very good morning to all my crypto peculiars. So, have you all been curious about what's happening in the market? Don't you worry, the CoinMarks got you covered. Okay, so before starting with the updates, let's quickly go today's headlines. Elon Musk explains Doge edge over Bitcoin, but where is he wrong? Coin1 will stop withdrawals to unverified external wallets. Marathon places an order for new mining machines worth $900 million. As per 30th December 2021, with around 3000% surge, Sora tops the meme coin list. So let's start up with our refresh feed. Firstly, Elon Musk, CEO of Tesla, discussed Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Web3, smart contracts, and more in an interview with Lex Fridman podcast. In 2021, Musk has been increasingly active in the cryptocurrency field. However, the majority of his statements have created disagreement and controversy. Let's find out what exactly happened. Musk remarked that even though Doge was designed as a joke, it is superior to BTC in terms of transaction volume and capabilities when questioned about his preferences for Doge over Bitcoin. In his opinion, the meme currency is also less expensive than the excessive price that users must pay to utilize the Bitcoin network. Furthermore, the Tesla CEO feels that Bitcoin has failed to adapt to modern times in which improved internet connections have rendered long synchronization periods and small block sizes outdated. He described these Bitcoin characteristics as funny. For those people who took the effort to illustrate the contrary case in the Bitcoin versus Doge discussion, Musk's responses were full of holes. The author of the bullish case for Bitcoin, Vijay Boyapati, came to Twitter to do this work and to point out Tesla executives' error. Boyapati claimed that while Dogecoin's block size is higher than Bitcoin's, the latter has orders of magnitude better transactional throughput because to the second layer solution, Lightning Network. The BTC community has always been resistant to any changes to the network's block size. This is owing to the numerous concerns that have the potential to disrupt the network and possibly endanger its existence. In this regard, Boyapati stated, scaling blockchains is inherently wrong since it jeopardizes centralization and protocol immutability. So moving forward with our next segment, to guarantee that crypto transactions are not utilized for criminal activities like money laundering, the exchange wants to check customers' names and resident registration data. Let's have a look at the current situation. Coin1, a South Korean crypto exchange, has declared that beginning in January, it would no longer enable token withdrawals to unconfirmed external wallets. Coin1 said on Wednesday that customers will have until January 23 to register their external wallets with the exchange, after which withdrawals would be restricted. The exchange stated that cryptocurrency users may only register their own wallets and that the verification procedure may take some time and that it may alter in the future. Coin1 planned to check customers' names and resident registration numbers, which are granted to all South Korean citizens, to guarantee crypto transactions were not utilized for unlawful activities like money laundering, according to the company. Customers at the exchange are unlikely to be able to withdraw funds to wallets until KYC protections are in place. The popular hardware wallet Ledger is likewise subject to this limitation. The South Korean government enacted a previously passed regulation in March requiring local crypto exchanges to fulfill standards for a real name account and ISMS verification, as well as provide a 6-month report on their activities. In addition, crypto users in the nation will address the adoption of a tax law set to take effect in January, which would apply capital gain taxes on all crypto trading earnings exceeding $2,300. So moving forward with our next segment for today, Marathon, a Nasdaq-listed Bitcoin mining firm, has made a $879 million order for additional Bitcoin mining machines. As a result of this recent transaction, Marathon's hash rate is expected to increase to 23.3 EH per second by early 2023. Marathon Digital Holdings, a Nasdaq-listed Bitcoin mining company based in Las Vegas, has placed a $879.06 million for a new machine. So let's dive into this one with our headline being, Marathon Digital Holdings is one of the world's largest publicly listed Bitcoin mining companies situated in the United States. The market share of Bitcoin miners operating in the United States has surged considerably since China announced increased demands on Bitcoin miners earlier this year. The United States now controls over 35% of the hash rate in the Bitcoin mining industry. The United States presently leads the Bitcoin mining industry with a hash rate of over 35%. This is because these businesses have placed a combined order order for approximately 970,000 machines, which will be delivered by the end of 2022. From January to July, the number of ETH in circulation increased by roughly 3 million units and by fewer than 1 million units from August to the present. This indicates that ETH supply grew by 4.6% in 2020 but only 3.5% in 2021. If current trends continue, the supply of ETH will grow by less than 2% in 2022. Indeed, at the present rate, BTC supply is expected to grow by around 1.7% in 2022, meaning that ETH supply inflation would be comparable to, if not somewhat larger than, BTC supply inflation next year. Because the fourth halving, BTC supply inflation will decline to 0.8% in 2024. Keep in mind, however, that if Ethereum transitions from proof of work to proof of stake, there will be no need to pay miners. Therefore, the reward for those who confirmed a block might be reduced. This would also cut down on new ETH production, putting ETH money supply inflation far below 2%. So wrapping up with our final segment for today, our top meme coin for today is Sora. Let's have a look at its stats as well as what it is about. The current Sora validator token price is $0.417418 USD with $381,899 USD in 24-hour trading volume. Our VAL to USD pricing is updated according to 6 a.m. IST. In the 24 hours, Sora validator token has gained 3,330% of its value. With a live market cap of $170,455 USD, the current coin market cap ranking is 2354. The circulating supply is 408,345 WAL coins and the maximum supply is unknown. If you're looking for a place to buy Sora validator token, PolkaSwap is presently the best cryptocurrency exchange for buying Sora validator token stock. Others are included on our cryptocurrency exchanges page. Validators are rewarded with WAL tokens, while nominators can nominate validators using their Sora token. So we would now wind up with the assessment for today morning and meet y'all in the evening with even more interesting stuff. Until then, you may consider joining our Telegram channel for free crypto signals. Visit our blog linked below for guides, reviews and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel and get daily updates about the crypto market. Lastly, with this little favor of CoinMonks, we hope you stay updated. Thanks for watching and have a nice day ahead.